Hi everybody, my name is Stephy Hogan with CreativePro, and today I'm going to show you how to create outlines from live text in PowerPoint, because there is no native way to do that. Well, here we are on a blank slide. First thing is I need some text. So let's go to Shapes and choose Text Box here. And I'll just put that right on my slide. And let's write something fun like Care Bear Stare. That's what we're going to go for today. And then I'm just going to make it pretty, I guess. Big and thick and serifed is what I want. Let's go use that font. I'll just want it in one line. So here we go. All right, now I have my text. It's live, I can edit it, but now I want a version of it. Outlines, I can no longer edit the text. It's going to be a design element. The next step is to go up to Shapes and then choose any shape really that's going to cover the text very easily. I mean, don't choose the star or the smiley face. You're just going to make it hard for yourself. And so you can see what I'm doing. I will send this to the back. Now, it doesn't matter if it's on the back or on the front. I have it this way so I can select things easier. Let's say for now, I'm just going to give it this beautiful purple color for the fill, the box itself, and take care of that outline to make it go away. Okay, so here we have the text box over top of the regular square. So let's turn it to outlines. Well, first, I want you to select the cookie dough. The cookie dough is the lower layer. Then we can shift click the cookie cutter. The cookie cutter is the text. And now all you do is go up to Shape Format, over here to Merge Shapes, and then go down to Intersect, and there you go. You have text that is no longer editable. It is just a fancy, fancy shape. You can see that it is in fact one complicated shape if I right-click on it and choose Edit Points. And now you know how to convert text to outlines in PowerPoint.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.